Hey WordPress League, I'm going to the back again with another new episode. In this episode, you will get some interesting information regarding WordPress. Definitely, I will share the information related to the WordPress. And in this episode, you will get a curated, I will share something in a curated WordPress newsletter service providers, and it's absolutely free. You will get the curated content all over of the WordPress community. You don't have to jump every here and there to get the news. I will share some popular WordPress newsletter service providers, and it's a very interesting thing, and I have found them through my social media profile, and for that reason I have prepared a Twitter list, and this is the WP Weekly. Created by this list I have created for you, and here I have listed the 9 popular WordPress newsletter providers. Some other companies, they are continuously helping the WordPress people by sharing WordPress news and updates. First of all, let's jump to the main this side. This is the MasterWP. I followed them since the beginning when they have founded. This is 2016, and this is very interesting news portal site actually only for the WordPress users. And just you have to come here and share your name and share your email address, and they will never send a spam informations or spam emails. That is a very lizard people. And see, this is how much people are subscribing to their free newsletter services, weekly roundup news. They will share the WordPress updates and news, and more interestingly, you can see on their website. If you visit their website, you will say that when will be the next WordPress newsletter will be sent to your mailbox directly. And I personally know Bain and Alex through my WordPress community systems and work out. They are continuously helping the people in several ways, and they are very good people, and this newsletter is very authentic. And my dear friend, and I like to share, they are have some special posts. They will not sending you ad or anything. They have a special section for sponsored posts because they are running it for free. So they are continuously they are running this service with the help of the sponsors. So don't bother with that. Is if you are a marketer, then you can donate them through their work. This is the very great tool. I have great newsletter. I continuously read their emails, and they are very useful, and this is very authentic. Later on, there is another service for the WP Bills, and I personally know Nathan. He is very popular in the WordPress community, and he is running this site, and there is a weekly news. Just you have to sign up here to get the curated content related to the WordPress, and they have also running a podcast. You are a podcast fan, then definitely this will be helpful for you. So I will share the link in the description so that you can sign up for that. I also share the Twitter subscription, Twitter list with you in my description so you can get the list. There is a newcomer. This is I currently found them on the Twitter, the WP Weekly. This is Devinder Singh Kane is running this service, and if you want to join their newsletter portal, newsletter service, then you can join here. Also, they are running some interesting giveaway. Recently, they have a giveaway system on their service. They have giving away the WP dark mode, which I am currently using on my personal jitter of the personal domain to make my website dark mode friendly. So this is a tool which I am using since the very beginning. So they are just recently giving away this tool on their newsletter service, and here this is the information. Still they are running this giveaway. So if you're interested to join their weekly newsletter, just give up, just sign up here. They are also doing good and share the newsletters with you very effectively. So this is the WP Weekly. I will definitely share the link in the description so that you can get the link easily. Here is my another friend, Mr. This is the Rimkus, and he is very familiar in the WordPress ecosystem as well. He also running his blog newsletter service, and he's very much famous and curated the WordPress news and updates. So if you want to sign up him, then definitely do that. He is the here also his social profile. This person is very effective and he is very much familiar, and if you are familiar with the WordCam, and he is the one of the most popular face. If you see, you can see him in the WordCam Europe and another WordCam related to that region. So my dear friend, if you want to join him, definitely the link will be available here. This is the link, sorry for my mistake. You can sign up here. Very easy, just share your email and subscribe. Later on, there is another service provider, the repository. They are very interesting. They are definitely, as they are definitely shared the information with you, WordPress news and WordPress people and WordPress geeks and all the things that you will get in here. They are also offering this free service for you. If you want to, then definitely you can sign up for them. And you can see how many people are currently using their service. So this is very great, and it's a really it's recommended by another friend, Leslie. He recommended these service provider to me as well. So this is very great. If you want to subscribe them, then definitely subscribe here. Later on, there is a very popular person. I personally like his podcast, but he is also running his newsletter. If you want to join his newsletter, Mr. Matt, his podcast is familiar. I found him through my Spotify, and I listen him on my travel time as well, when I'm in traffic and I want to escape from the regular music. Then I definitely hear the podcast. His podcast gives me a real life inspiration of digital business and digital marketing, and podcast related to the WordPress as well. So you can sign up him. So this will be a very grateful for the very interesting options. All the curated news will be available in your mailbox. So I'm using their service for several times, but I'm very much fan of the MasterWP, and if you are only sign up to this only, then you can get, but they have a limited, but they share three or four news. There is a section, and but you can subscribe the others as well, so you can get the popular content, popular WordPress blog and others. There is another person. This is the WP Owl. I forget the link, sorry to share. This is the WP Owls. These sites also very popular in sharing the WordPress news and updates. And if you are interested, this is the real owl of WordPress. Definitely, if you are interested to join them, definitely sign up for them. For this is also a free newsletter provider, and also they are curated WordPress content on their website. This is very interesting. If you want to join them, then you can subscribe. This is literally the owl of WordPress. There is another one. This is the WP Minute. I most probably missed the link. The WP Minute. The WP Minute is another WordPress news provider. Then definitely, if you want to get the weekly news to this website, will definitely help you. They have also the podcast. Also, if you want to subscribe, then you will get the information at your doorstep. So these are the list. I have prepared a total whole list of popular WordPress newsletter service provider. Definitely sign up for them. If you want them, then subscribe and read their content, and this is very free. You will get all the information, curated news related to the WordPress at your doorstep. So this is for today, but stay tuned. I will share an interesting tool with you in my next video, and this video will be very helpful if you get all the things in a one-stop solution. So I will share the news with you later on my next blog. Stay connected, and please subscribe and do like and share with your friends, and I will share the all available links on my description, so that you can you don't need to jump, you don't need to search on the web. Just follow my description links, and I will share the Twitter list as well, so you can follow them on social. Unfortunately, wpMail, MasterWP don't have the social profile. So if you want to follow them, they can follow them, Mr. Payne and Mr. Alex, through their social profile. You can follow them through the Twitter as well. So this is all about for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'm going to start the signing off for today. stay connected, stay blessed, stay happy. Ta-ta, bye-bye. See you next time.